This is how I spray a shake style door the majority of the time. So I'm going to use the compressor. Now, going for the primer, it's very important you use a decent primer. I'm using the Venice primer, water-based. So what I do first is I aim the gun down into this bottom edge. Do 2 relatively slow passes, and then do the same with the rest of the shaker edge. 2. Don't go too slow, otherwise you're just going to get pooling. And even right now, it does build up pretty quick. You probably can't see it from here, but it will self-level. Back edge. This door's been flipped over. I've already done the other side, so the edges get 2 hits. And because I do one face and the other, the same process. And then I'm going to go for the front edge. And gradually bring my gun up. Then I'm going to point my gun one way for 2 goes to get into those edges. Then I'm going to flip it, get into the other side of those edges, and keep going like that. I'm putting it on really heavy. Because ultimately, I want to get away with 1 prime only. And if I prime heavy enough, then I get away with sometimes 1 top coat. And then, there we go. I think we are done. And that is it, really simple. Got into all my edges. It's really heavy. There are any hairline edges in between where the panel's been fitted into the shaker door, because this is a CNC made door. Then the paint will seep into those little corners, those little hairline cracks, and fill them up. Also, any raw MDF that we've routed into with the CNC, especially the 3x3 top rebate, because this is going to be like a Art Deco looking door. We've got obviously the first rebate, which is the pocket, and then the second rebate, which is the top, which we don't usually do. It's a one-off door. Yeah, then we've got the raw edges. I'm using very, very good standard MDF, and I have no problems whatsoever with a heavy coat. Once it's dried, we sand that back. It comes out nice and smooth with a small amount of sanding. And yeah, that's how I go about spraying a shake style door really, really simply and easily. Let me show you what paint we use and what sprayer we use, because if you're looking to get into spraying yourself, then this is the ultimate paint to use and the ultimate sprayer for speed and quality of finish. This is the sprayer that I'm using. It's an airless sprayer. It's a Graco 695 Ultra Max, and the paint I'm using is the Venice brand from amicus.co.uk. 1K waterborne primer, and then we'll go for the 1K waterborne top coats.